Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know you guys are having this problem if you are playing the game for the first time. See, X input DLL is missing or not found. Click OK and follow me. Now open your browser and search for DirectX. Now click the first link and click download here
Instagram.
and install it in your PC and uncheck this. Wait for some time and it will install. Now try to open the game.
This
I am having Black Myth Wukong. You can play whatever game you have. The game is now open. Happy gaming. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Bye.
We spent years in training, fighting battles uphill. When